2017 on the cryptocurrency market. So every one of you who have coins on your wallet, and next year maybe we go up to 10-15 euros. Congratulations. So what I can tell you from now, this opportunity, what is bringing today to Cambodia and the Cambodian people, I see the spirit of the people who have met. So actually, I strongly believe that Cambodia will be in top 5 countries in the next coming 6 months. You have a good leadership in Cambodia. And the most important thing in our business is that we have the working ethic. Follow the rules and regulations. Follow the rules and regulations. Also using the Cambodia office